this morning on the eve of budget to protest about the cut to the ABC. Under no circumstances do we wish to cut the ABC because it should stand free and not be privatised and come under any privatisation at all.
No,
we want an independent media.
We want independent media.
We don't want it intimidated by us.
Exactly.
Well, I mean, I have to say to you, there was a very clear commitment by Tony to being more straightforward than no cuts to the ABC or SDS. So I think it's absolutely right. I really do appreciate the work that GetUp's doing on this issue. I've certainly seen the online campaign as well. I did have the great privilege a couple of weeks ago, you may have seen on my Facebook, to meet B1 and B2 and also Anthony Green, who I was probably just as excited to meet. We in this area obviously have our regional ABC, and part of the concern that's being expressed is that regional branches of the ABC are particularly under threat if there's any sort of cuts like this. And in areas like ours, we need that local voice, and I'd be very, very distressed to see that happen. I appreciate what you're doing, keep up the good work, and I think if anything, we've got to hold them to account for the commitments they made before the election.